Location, please. Of course, I got you. By the way, ilalagay ko dito sa description kung paano ka makapunta dito. This is Starboard Diving Resort and it is situated in San Luis, Batangas. I have been to different dive resorts already, but I always come back to Starboard Diving Resort, which is also the home of Freedive Pinas. As you can see, napakaganda ng facility nila dito. 3 na yung pool dito, so kung natatakot kayong mag-open water agad sa diving journey nyo, hindi kayo kakabahan. And napakaganda din ng restaurant and masarap yung food. In addition, napakabait din ng mga staff dito. Sobrang hospitable nila. Ang dami ko nang nadala na tao dito sa Starboard. Ang ganda kasi nung place. So kung curious kayong simulan ang freediving journey nyo, let's go ahead and try freediving with Freedive Pinas. By the way, if mag-avail ka ng Only Training promotion sa akin, use my code na ilalagay ko dito para may kasama na ding t-shirt. Bye!